guys, today is New Year's Eve. We're going to the park. Kayla!
Hey!
Suki!
Hi!
Monday! Lily!
Hi!
She not answer, and Katie are walking from, I don't know, maybe she vex.
Katie,
So we're going...
you can't walk in front quick. I'm scared of you.
Yeah, so we're going to the park to just chill. I don't really know what we're going to do. But I don't think we're going to stay out there all night because, as you know, these are babies. So we're just going to spend a couple hours on the road with them. And we'll come back and I don't know what we're going to do after that. I don't know if adults going out later in the night or I don't really know. So, as I said, just journey with us and see what's happening today. To KFC to buy something to eat and then we go in the park. Charmin is behind us, so yeah, basically that's what we're doing right now. So are you the one come friend? So yeah, so gang cross walking in the traffic and reach. We're at where are we?
There.
8 River Town Center. Say it? You see them?
Yeah, because
yeah. Never know. I not even live here. Really Monday.
The dog got Ochi as much as you, girl.
I'm not go Ochi, but they come from Ochi. You just read the sign.
Yeah, but my dog got Ochi as much as you. Yeah, as you.
When last we got Ochi?
Yeah, for yesterday. Okay then.
Okay, what do KFC then? Ah, Tutti Frutti. The one we're going to Tutti Frutti and get some free sample and come on.
Of course.
You want to say of course?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Go and park your car, park yourself. It's a Tutti Frutti right there, so.
Oh shit, that's what I'm blind.
You're really blind for you. You watch much TV at that time, that's why you're so blind.
Sakura Express. Come here, go in the phone.
Eh?
Money.
That means I love Chinese food, you know. I eat Chinese food every day.
Well, you're going to make them give you.
Give me what?
Dog.
Really, dog? Come on.
Okay, come on.
We got Pizza Hut, we got Tutti Frutti, we got KFC. Yeah, them sample here. Rum cream birthday cake. Any sample you want, I'm gonna give you a sample. So when them come, the assistant soon come and they just tell me, say you want to taste the sample. For me, I want to taste the sample of the birthday cake. And I just ask them to taste the sample. I would like to taste a sample of the birthday cake, please. And I just want them to taste the sample. So I make everybody taste a sample. So, you are considering to buy? You are buying? Okay. You know that easy now. Alright, thanks. Come. Come under. Could I just come under? We're in KFC right now, so
5 o'clock.
So somebody might take a line, take a space, really? Really so okay on Monday? We never join the line.
Join the line? You go join the line, bigger one.
So when you stay calm, me and the bigger man, we can join the line. Is that right? Put this in your the ball. Yeah. I may have left the umbrella. Yeah, we had fun Charmaine to get you. Eh? No, we are up at the park. So basically that's what we're doing right now, just waiting on Charmaine to get through. For like 30-45 minutes we'll just get through. Slow service though, but no, we're going to Turtle River Park. Oh yeah, we're going to Turtle River Park now, so yeah, I'll carry you guys with me, so yeah, come on out. Picture time, picture moment. Yeah.
You know what you're gonna look for the pump on this side, man.
All short people over there, so.
Put on ginger in front.
Stay.
Stay.
We're going in the gazebo.
Maybe I gay.
What? Ooh.
May I go in there, so?
Go in there.
So, no, I go.
Go in the gazebo, go in there, so. In there, so. Yeah. Everybody want to eat first before them go on swings and all these things, so. Yeah.
One last time, yeah, baby.
Where you go so far?
Hi.
What the other bag? Oh, she's smoking it.
You guys, we just finished have like one music, whatever. So if you guys add me on Snap, you guys would have seen that part there. We couldn't really like vlog it because the place was dark. So I looking at me like that price. It's
almost New Year's.
yeah, it's almost New
3
Year.
minutes to New Year's.
It's not 3 minutes, it's 10.
3 minutes to New Year's. It's 11:57.
Yeah, 11:57. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, happy New Year! I joke. And I time you guys. So I'll talk to you guys in the next clip, right?
But you don't know I'm for New Year's.
What?
Anybody? No.
You tap your eyes, you know? You tap your eyes. That's Babe though. If y'all wanna see him, y'all will have to add me on Snapchat. He's single. You're a me now.
Follow me on Facebook, Quasigram Bija. Add me on Facebook. Add me
You could just give them a snap on your Instagram.
Add me on Instagram, Quasigram.
Well, them can't spell it. Spell it for them.
QUAZZII _GRIM.
And that's his Instagram, you guys. So you guys can go and check him out. Instagram. So where you guys went on New Year's Eve though? Did you guys stay home? Went and watch fireworks with their friends? Chill? I don't know. Tell me what you guys have done on New Year's. You tired?
Oh.
So where you be there? Where you be there?
Nobody want me for New Year.
Oh, basically he's saying he's single. So let's.
Me never said that.
What time? We're cold.
11:58. Want to come picture for
11:58. Yeah, I see him say you have a look 12:01.
Yeah, but I'm my first picture for New Year.
Yeah, so we can't take that.
That one do.
Oh, okay. So, what time?
11:59.
11:59. 11:59. Hello. I'm gonna pop it. I'm gonna pop it back.
Yeah, we can pop that.
Huh?
We can pop that.
So why are you about me?
Because
you pop the last one.
So that the last one.
Go on, pop down.
I never pop that before. I'm popping.
Go on, please.
That the last one.
Them are you for pop the
This
back.
one, yeah, this one.
Go on, pop down. Go on, pop down.
Much more. 11:59.
Papi and broke.
Look what you're doing here,
Almost.
Papi out the door, so our Papi to be
I'm gonna go suck my big toe, man.
trying to be like
No, I don't know what you can't fly, man. You have to draw the car.
Wait, I'm at 12 o'clock. Wait. I'm at 12 o'clock yet. I'm at 12 o'clock. I'm at 12 o'clock. Wait. 12 o'clock. New Year, everybody! Happy New Year! I'm glad that you guys have spent 2017 with me, and I hope you guys spend 2018 with me as well. So, yeah.
No, man.
Let him bad man no bad so.
Thank you, Almighty Father. One more year.
Sandra, no, I'm going to the vlog, so now.
2017 go suck your woman.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Go suck your woman 2017.
I love you, Chip. So, Chip. Oh,
Give me some
babe.
What did you do with my phone? No man, that's all. Coffee before that message off.
Yeah. Mama, you said cheese.
We should have some clappers. What is some more?
No better tastes.
Why?
Guys, after I know
So gonna want a bad man. So gonna want one more time. So gonna want a bad man.
He was drinking here, you guys. He was drinking. Your phone, are you your phone ring? Your phone ring, so the lighting stop now. So see you guys in the next clip. Watch out. But him say more somebody. I am somebody. Nobody not call me. So I go. You guys, a big New Year's Eve. No, New Year's no, no. And Kayla sleep. Kayla, Suki and Monday and sleep. Where they at though? Tomorrow you guys for cussing. So just there I go and chill tomorrow if I go to bed. So I'll speak to you either tomorrow or speak to you guys tomorrow. Go and drink some more wine there and knock up beside there. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip.